straight. You know, he just came in and was played as a good player as he is. You know, then as he did his thing too, and he just did his thing too.
What's going through your mind when you look up and see the score 14-0 their way, and nothing has gone right?
I mean, we done been down in this situation before. I mean, when we just came in together as a team, you know, like we always do, and just fought back.
Can you walk us through the touchdown?
I mean, I gotta give a whole bunch of credit to Christian Jones. You know, he gave me a good block, and I just used my speed to get past the safety.
You saw a lot of green though, I take it, when he got the ball and turned?
Yeah, I mean, when I saw all that, I mean, I couldn't do nothing but just be happy and get to the end zone.
Hey, this game, you never take your foot off the gas, is that right?
Yeah, you never should. I mean, we got a lot to learn from, you know, but at the end of the day, we just got to keep building on what we learned from today.
You threw the ball so much in the first quarter. I think only 3 running plays. That's not the way it usually works. How much was that A.J. making calls from the line?
I mean, we just have an explosive offense, especially when we come down to the receiving corps. You know, we got Amari Cooper, you know, we got Christian Jones, DeAndre White, Kevin Norwood, and all the young guys. I mean, you know, as we see that team going to really just key on TJ and all the best of the running back, we're just going to use the receiver, you know, to do what we do.
What about the tight ends contribution?
Yeah, I mean, OJ had a real big game today. You know, he stepped up as a big-time freshman today. You know, made that big key third down reception. You know, my hats off to him today.
You see TJ pound away there in the second half. It was like that the running game going the way it did.
Yeah, I mean, you know, he just really sealed the game for us. You know, he had that little costly fumble, but you know, he just stuck with it and just kept running.